the special.
Who is he?
Is my best friend.
What is his name?
His name is Carlos.
What is his last name?
His last name is Castillo.
How old is he?
He is 17 years old.
Where are you from?
He is from Peru.
What's his phone number?
His phone number is 912807427.
What's his email?
His name is Carlos Castillo Torres. His name.com.
Look at this picture.
How is she?
She is my best friend.
What is her name?
Her name is Natalie.
What's her last name?
Her last name is Vasquez.
How old is he?
She is 23 years old.
Where is she from?
She is from Peru.
What's her phone number?
Her phone number is 956776812.
What's her email?
Her email is xiomarabarriente@gmail.com.